up, rock stars? Welcome back to today's vlog. Right now we are gonna be heading to the washing place. We're gonna wash my dirt bike in the trunk and we are gonna wash it, plus we're gonna get a car wash out of it. So that's what we do. We're gonna get a lot of boxes for a video tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna go to like one of the washing machine places. I don't know what you call them. And you do it yourself. Yeah, self-washers.
Self-car washers.
Self-car washers. You get like the what is it called?
The wand?
No, not the wand.
Power washer?
Yeah, you get the power washer.
It's called a wand.
Oh, you get the wand and you just spray your car, but the dirt bike's in the back and we're gonna keep it in the back so we can just spray the dirt bike. That took so much time to explain. Oh yeah, how you guys doing? You like looking at my mouth with my crusty lips? So while I'm looking down, because the sun is in my eyes, YouTube has been crazy. Like a month ago, they shut down 50 channels.
They're just starting to restrict the kid channels.
Yeah.
They don't want us doing dangerous stuff.
Yeah, they don't want us doing dangerous stuff.
Or extreme tricks.
Or extreme tricks.
Or pranking.
Or like pranking.
Oh, that lady just fell. That lady just fell in the bushes.
We just witnessed a lady falling into a bush.
At the gas station.
At the gas station.
Crazy sports, they restrict us. They put age restriction, demonetize, or they take it down. So we are trying our best to put videos out there, but YouTube has this thing about young children. They don't want them getting harmed or crying because it's emotional abuse, and it gives people bad ideas to let their kids do crazy tricks. Even though Rocco's qualified to do crazy tricks, they say no.
Yeah, that's how it is. So give us ideas that aren't crazy. Hopefully we can do some of them. We'll shout you out if we use one. How about that? Whoever gives a good idea in the comments, don't make it unnecessary. Like, do a triple backflip off of your
They won't
roof.
let us show it.
They won't let us show it. I would for sure do that, but they won't let me. Can you guys see yourself? Can you guys see yourself? Whoop, whoop, whoop. So yeah, I'm just another weird kid vlogger doing his stuff in the car, and his son visor works in his car. I'm about to rob a Ultra, whatever you call it. It's a bank. I'm about to rob it. I'm joking. Or am I? Sunny D, if you're watching this, please sponsor me. I drink your Sunny D like every freaking day. So sponsor me, and you can look up my nostrils. I'll see you guys at the car washing place that you can wash your car, that I'm gonna wash my dirt bike in. See you. Cranky! Oh my god, cranky! See you guys at the car wash place that you can wash your car, and I'm gonna wash my dirt bike in, like I just said. Okay, so we have made it to the car wash place. Please, no towel drying in bays. What? Ah! Everyone's looking at me like I'm weird because I'm just holding the camera. Oh, frick! Oh my god! Look at her face! No, I'm getting wet! Oh my god!
You're probably gonna get dirty.
It's like fun.
Get it all clean.
let's go get some boxes at Home Depot, and I'll see you guys in Home Depot. Okay, yo, what's up, Rock Signs? Welcome to the vlog. We're gonna wrap it up here. We've got KTM GoPro Brody right here. Got the matching hat. We got Brett.
On the RKR scooter, on the RKR scooter, on the RKR scooter.
On the RKR scooter.
There's a little guy on his scooter.
How does this always get buckled?
Alright, so we're gonna get a few scooter clips and then call it a day.
And then call it a day. So let's go scoot, bang, bang.
Obstacle course. Go to the other side.
Can I do the obstacle course?
Okay.
On a scooter?
No.
Chris, grab one.
Deep one.
Everyone, that was today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am tired right now. We had to leave because it is dark there. I am hungry, but yeah, I'm hungry, and there's no lights like I said. But that's today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button in the face, and like always, I'll see you beautiful, lovely people, nice people tomorrow.